Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a list of tables and figures. Please stay tuned. Give your time to this video. You will learn a lot. You will not regret watching it. So the first thing, you come to insert. You insert your table. So for me, I want a table of 5 columns and 4 rows. Then you click OK. It comes like that. After that, you right click. You insert captions. Like that. For me, I'm inserting a table. You come to your label, that option, that part of label here. You click on this, scroll down, click table. Then you can add, maybe you can say maybe this is my table. Let me say like that. After doing so, you click OK. It becomes like that. After finishing, you come to references. You insert table of figures. You come to your caption label. It is a table. Then you click OK. It becomes like that. So this is the list. This is how to create a list of tables. Of figures, of tables, sorry. So for figures, you repeat the same procedure. You come, you right click, you come to insert captions, you go to your label, insert figures, you click OK. I'm sorry, let me first undo it. You right click on that, you insert captions. On figures, you can put maybe the title or what it's all about. Maybe it's about maybe population. You come to position where you want your figures to appear, your list of figures to appear. Either if you want it below or above, you scroll, you click there. After you select, maybe you want it to appear above your table. If you want it to appear below, the same. You click selected item. You want it to appear below your table. For me, I want it to appear above my table. So I will go there. Then I click above selected item. You see? Then after that, you come here and you click OK. It comes just like the way you see. Finishing, you go to your references. You come to insert table of figures. So you come to your labels. Caption label. You come here, you click there, you select figures. After selecting figures, you come and click OK. So you can see your table of figures will come automatically. So you can do as many as you wish according to how you want to design. So this is briefly how to create a list of tables or a table of figures. Thank you. My name is Teddy. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and drop me your comments so that we learn together. Bye. I love you all. See you in my next video.